Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I wanted to highlight an article from this week that talks about the Android 15 update from nothing. It's surprising to see a small company like Nothing beating out larger OEMs like Samsung to the punch, but that's exactly what is happening right now. While select Samsung Galaxy owners are testing the beta version of One UI that's based on Android 15, Nothing OS 3.0 has already begun rolling out to the public through its stable branch. As of right now, if you own the Nothing Phone 2 or the Nothing Phone 2A, then you should keep an eye out for that over-the-air update notification, or possibly even manually check to see if you have a big update waiting for you. Nothing OS 3.0, aka NOS 3, is based on Android 15, and they are saying it is designed to embody the signature identity of the company. The new software update for Nothing phone owners adds a new feature called Shared Widgets, a newly designed and fully customizable lock screen, enhanced productivity widgets, and an AI-powered app drawer to help you categorize your apps into folders. The new firmware update also adds some improvements to the quick settings panel. There's an enhanced pop-up view, and both visual and performance improvements. Those with a keen eye will also notice the updated typography, and there's a new gallery app to play with as well, which includes expanded editing tools such as filters, markup, and suggestions. Anyone who owns the Nothing Phone 1, Nothing Phone 2A Plus, and the CMF Phone 1 should look forward to this new update sometime in early 2025. The company has yet to give an exact date on that rollout, but many are expecting it to arrive within the first 3 months of the new year. I understand that Nothing is able to push out these updates quicker than its competition, since there are fewer features offered within the firmware. But still, Samsung does have a history of getting its first stable update out before the end of the year. So seeing a tiny company like Nothing beat a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate to the punch is a bit embarrassing if you ask me. I have had my eye on Nothing phones for a little bit, but they continue to opt for lower-powered chipsets when you compare them to the competition within their price range. However, I do appreciate them allowing you to unlock the bootloader and root the device without voiding your warranty, so I may end up having to vote with my wallet to show support. If you have a Nothing phone, then share your thoughts about it down in the comment section below. I'm curious to see how many subscribers of the channel currently own one of these devices, as that might encourage me to go out and get one a lot faster. And please, remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news content like this.